This video will introduce 3 effective methods to help you recover line messages from iPhone, with solutions available whether or not you have a backup. Part 1. How to recover line messages from iPhone from iCloud backup. If you have ever enabled the iCloud chat backup feature within the Line app, restoring your chat history will be very simple. Please note that this method requires iCloud Drive to be enabled, and you must be using the same Apple ID and Line account. Step 1. Open the Line app, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to enter Settings, Chats, Chat Backup History. Check the time of the most recent backup. Step 2. Press and hold the Line icon on the home screen, select Remove App, then go to the App Store to reinstall it. Step 3. Open Line and log in with the same phone number or email associated with the backup. Step 4. After logging in, the system will automatically detect the backup in iCloud and prompt you to restore. Simply select Restore Chat History to proceed. Part 2. How to restore Line chat history on iPhone from iTunes backup. If you have previously backed up your iPhone using iTunes on your computer, you can restore the entire device to recover your Line messages. Note: restoring a backup through iTunes can recover your chat history, but it will overwrite all the current data on your device. Make sure to back up your existing content before proceeding. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable and open iTunes for Windows or macOS Mojave and Earlier or Finder for macOS Catalina and later. Step 2. In the left menu, select your iPhone, then click on the Summary or General tab. Step 3. On the right, find and click Restore Backup, and choose a backup file that contains your Line data. Step 4. The restoration process may take a few minutes, and once complete, your iPhone will automatically restart. Step 5. Open the Line app and check if your chat history has been restored. Part 3. How to retrieve Line messages from iPhone without backup. If your Line messages are not backed up to iCloud or iTunes, or if the backup file doesn't contain the desired content, you can still use powerful third-party tools like iPhone Data Recovery to recover them. This software can directly scan your iPhone and restore deleted Line messages without requiring any backup. It supports previewing and selective recovery, is easy to use, and won't overwrite existing data. Step 1. Download and install the software on your computer. Once installed, connect your iPhone to the computer via USB and launch the application. Choose the Recover from iOS device option, then click Start Scan. The program will begin scanning for deleted data. Step 2. On the left panel, click Messages to view all your Line chat history. You can preview the detailed message content in the main interface. Select the Line messages and free calls you want to recover, then click the Recover button. All selected Line chat history will be exported and saved to your computer.